Meaning of Henry Fonda.
Henry Fonda.
Henry Fonda.
Henry Fonda.
Henry Fonda. Henry Fonda was an American actor who achieved great success and acclaim in Hollywood. He appeared in over 100 films during his career, including classics such as The Grapes of Wrath, 12 Angry Men, and On Golden Pond. Fonda was known for his naturalistic acting style and his ability to convey deep emotion with minimal dialogue. He also played a key role in the founding of the Actors Studio, which helped to revolutionize American theater. Fonda's legacy has continued long after his death in 1982, with many praising his contributions to the art of acting.